For over 25 years, ABI in Germany has been making its unique mobile ram rigs. The experience gained in manufacturing over 1,400 units, along with its customer input, has resulted in a job site tested, multi-purpose rig with many different applications for the shoring and foundation industry, some of which will be shown in this video. Of equal importance is ABI's ability to provide backup to our customers. We stock the spare parts and equipment, and we have a full workshop where we are able to repair and service the ABI equipment. With 2 full-time technicians, we have gained a reputation of being able to support our customers. But don't take our word for it.
We drive a lot of soldier pile. It works in conjunction with our GeoJet shoring system program, where a high-pressure grouted soil mixed hole is developed, and then an ABI machine follows behind and drives the soldier beam various lengths. Using the 2 machines in conjunction, we've been able to get unbelievable production rates. And without them, I don't think we could get the accuracy that we get with them. For doing that, you just can't duplicate it using a crane and a vibratory hammer, swinging hammer. It's just not the same. You can't get the same accuracy or speed. And it gets down to just 2 men. It takes 2 men. A man to hook it up, a man to loft it, and drive it. That's it. Simple. Once our operators picked them up, they learned that it was fairly easy to run, and the assistance we got from ABI made a big difference. Being the guy who has to fix them and keep them running, I'm more than happy with the way they've lasted.
To understand the unique design and advantages of the ABI rigs, let's start by looking at sheet piling, one of the most popular uses of the multi-purpose ABI rigs. In sheet piling, the time-consuming parts in easy driving conditions are the handling of the sheets, keeping them straight and vertical, and the setup and demobilization times. With a mobile ram, chains attached to the hammer, and then pick up the sheets. And then are grabbed by the jaws. The sheet is now locked in line with the mast. Once the sheet has been laced with another pre-driven sheet, it can be driven to grade, with minor adjustments being made by the cylinders controlling mast verticality. Unlike other systems, the mobile ram has down crowd, which further assists in keeping sheets straight and helps drive the sheets faster into the ground. The mast also has a self-leveling feature. Setup and demobilization times are under 45 minutes with a telescopic, self-erecting mast and a quick coupling attachment system. The combined features have produced average production rates of over 50 pair of 50-foot sheets per day in easy driving conditions.
Well, our first job is the Carquinez Bridge approach project. Foundations still has many more cofferdams to complete, but the first phase went well. So in our quest to start with the right equipment, we considered a lot of options. Ultimately, we went with the ABI rig, which, as it turned out, was the right decision. I think the biggest comparison that I would like to make is ABI's ability to install sheets accurately as opposed to traditional free-hanging hammers. But I was very impressed with the fact that no template was needed, and we were in some of the toughest driving conditions I've encountered in Northern California. Based on what it's designed for, it's unparalleled, I think, in the industry.
In more difficult ground conditions, the ABI mobile ram is able to pre-drill. Which allows the sheets to displace the hard ground into the pre-drilled hole. It is now possible with the ABI mobile ram to drive sheets in faster despite the pre-drill time. The speed of the drilling is also crucial in making pre-drilling feasible. Together with the crowd forces and strokes of up to 72 feet, pre-drilling can be done with one pass of a continuous flight auger. On this job site, it took 10 minutes to pre-drill two 45-foot holes, but driving times for two pair of sheets were 40 minutes faster. In ground conditions around 100 blow counts, it is possible to get more than 10 pair of sheets a day without damaging sheets or prematurely wearing out the jaw pads. In order to outperform larger hammers by pre-drilling, the ABI rigs need to quickly swap from auger to hammer and vice versa. A hydraulic pin mechanism secures the attachment, be it hammer or rotator. Then, the hydraulic lines and electrical controls are connected. Currently, we are testing the new docking system, which will allow attachment changes in under 5 minutes and can be done from the cab by the operator without assistance. It should be available in 2002. Because the mobile ram has a mast and is not a crane, a lot of design features were incorporated to make the units very compact and flexible. This includes the power pack on board, a 360-degree turret, a mast that has 180-degree slewing capability to grab singles and drive sheets in corners, and a stroke that can accommodate a 70-foot sheet. The mobile ram rig can extract sheet pile and then stack it for transport. Some of our clients just want the mobile ram attached to their excavator, and then power and hammer models are influenced by the excavator size. The variable moment gives the operator the chance to spin the weights at full RPM with zero vibration, and then engage the eccentric weights from 0 to 100%. The result is a vibration-free startup and shutdown through counterbalancing of the eccentrics, thereby eliminating low-frequency vibrations that typically shake the rig and can damage surrounding structures. The hammer variable moment can be set in 10% increments, so it can operate with low centrifugal force for vinyl sheets, or at 100% for hard driving conditions, or anywhere in between to suit ground conditions. The variable moment hammer spins at 2,350 RPM. This high frequency does a better job of liquefying material at the tip, lowering tip resistance. All our latest hammers also come with gear oil circulation pump, oil filter, and a gear oil cooling unit for longer equipment and oil life. In addition to vibrating sheets, the unit can vibrate casing, and beams. Many of our customers use our rigs with several attachments on one job site.